All right, so I'm going to get going. I'm going to start installing the NelsonRigg hurricane bags. Hopefully this goes as easy as it looks. It seems pretty straightforward and simple. I do have the Givi racks, so I'm probably going to have to play around with those and maybe modify them some. All right, so on the Givi racks, I'm pulling off the little engagement knobs in the bottom of this, and then I'm going to pull off the Monokey lock or latch system. Pull that off. It's just 2 screws underneath the cap. I will pull those off. As you can see, the screws right there. Those are 5mm. These ones down here are 4mm, and they're relatively simple. I'm actually glad I checked them because they were fairly loose, which is kind of surprising to me. They didn't even Loctite them from the factory. So just going to go ahead and look at those and get those off and get these bags mounted up the rest of them. In order to get these NelsonRigg panniers to fit correctly without wrinkling up this whole back pad, had to cut slots on both sides through the pad in order to make it stay flat, which will make a significant difference. As you can see, it actually holds it the way it should on that side, and on this one we'll do the same thing. Unexpected turn of events, but nothing I can't get past. At the end of the day, it's just a pad. If need be later on, I can always replace them. All right, so I got the hurricane bags by Nelson Gear loaded up, mounted on, everything sorted. I got about 20 to 25 pounds in each bag. They seem to be holding up really well. Nothing seems to move. They're attached very snug once I remove the latches from the Givi bags mounting system. But it all seems to be working well. Everything looks good. I'm still running the tank bag. I got tons of stuff in there, mostly recording stuff, batteries, and that type of deal. It's pretty snug. I haven't had anything moving. Everything seems to be holding its place. I went ahead and put these puppy grips on just because I needed something with a little bit larger diameter to fit the hand. I'm not a small guy. I'm over 6'4" and 240 pounds, so I need something with a little bit more grip to it. Something that's going to be more comfortable for the long rides. I think that's pretty much it.